How to fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can fix if the add music to profile is not showing in your Instagram account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you open up your Instagram application and if you're logged in with your account, now if you head over to your profile page and tap on the edit profile button, there you will be able to add music to your profile. But if you're not able to find this option, then what you can do is first of all make sure that your application is updated. If your application is missing out any updates, you will not be able to find that feature. So in order to look for the updates, open up the Play Store in your device. Head over to the search bar and now search for Instagram. If you see an update option right there, you have to update the application. And once the update is complete, you have to go back and look for the feature if it is available or not. If that is still not available, then you can clear the application cache. So for that, head over to your application, and then you have to tap and hold on the application. Tap on app info. Once you land on its app info here, scroll down and tap on storage and cache. And here tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove some glitches or app box from the application that will help you solve your issue. After that, you can go back and check whether the feature is available or not. If still not, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can help you fix your problem. After you restart your device, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, then try to uninstall and reinstall the application back. Tap and hold on the application, tap on app info, now tap on uninstall. Once the application is installed, now you can go back to Play Store and install it from the Play Store after we log in, and that's going to help you fix your problem. Now you'll be able to add music to your profile. And that's how you can fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.